Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to get started here with some big money bolos, items that you can hopefully flip for a profit that you can buy low and sell high. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. So if you go over to my Bolo Buddies Facebook group, down in the link tree in the description of the video, you can join for free. It is a resellers group on Facebook, free to join, and you guys can share your big money bolos. And if you just share them in the normal feed, I won't feature it. But if you want to share it under the share post, I will feature it in a video just like this. Please be sure to shout out any social media or if you sell on Whatnot or if you have Instagram or YouTube, anything you want me to shout out, please put that in the post and I'll share that to help you guys grow whatever your platform or whatever you're working to grow. All right, so the first one here, she said, I picked up a 6-pack of Hanes men's size large tagless white boxer shorts at the red, white, and blue thrift for $5. I listed them on eBay for $25 and they sold in under a week. I had also grabbed a few other Hanes tagless items that day and all of them sold within a month. Again, not huge money, but a fast flip and easy to ship. I'm the Lost Closet 12 on eBay and YouTube. So you guys check her out on eBay and YouTube. But she's saying that it's not huge money, but if you can find it cheap, easy to list, easy to store, easy to ship. There you go. Tagless Hanes items. So be on the lookout. The next item here is this complete Japanese joinery. She said, found this at the Goodwill bins. Did not know anything about it, but it was in great condition and picked it up because it was a craft handbook. Was very shocked when I saw comps. Paid 25 cents, which was the rate for bulky and media items. Originally listed for $290, then after a couple weeks decided to lower to $269. It sold for full price of $269 plus shipping in 23 days. Woo, there you go. And for some reason, this one did not pull up her photo. So this is what the item looks like, though. All right, the next item is from Nina's Jewels, and she is on YouTube as well. Please give her a follow. Paid $1.43 in a grab bag of jewelry from a family-run estate sale. Sold for $340. Look at that, you guys. It is it's 10 karat gold and it's an hourglass pendant. So isn't that cute? Super cute. The next item here is this Club Penguin Plush Astronaut, rare and hard to find. I tried to list this before, but was unable to access the thread. I bought 3 of these Club Penguin small plush at a Habitat store for 50 cents each. Knowing nothing about them, to my surprise, the astronaut one is sought after, and at the time I found only one sold. One buyer tried several times to send me low offers on my $70 price. I finally sold it to him for 50 plus shipping, and he left great feedback and was happy to get it. I sell on eBay as Kathy's Attic. All right, you guys, check her out. Best offer of 50 on this little Club Penguin astronaut. The next item is this. She said, picked up at a 75% off estate sale for $4.06. This place was huge. It had acres of land with multiple buildings and barns and outbuildings full of stuff. We found this in the livestock barn. Sold fast for full price plus shipping. So it's a Kawasaki carburetor. There you go. Sold for $239.99. And that is Nina's Jewels as well. So give her a follow on YouTube. This one is a vintage Hallmark Snoopy and Linus Peanuts Great Pumpkin Honeycomb centerpiece. And I love picking up these centerpieces. A lot of times they do pretty well. Keep your eye out for vintage peanut stuff. Rooted this piece out from the bottom of a linen closet at an estate sale. The guy at checkout knew it was good, but it hadn't been priced by the company, so got it for $2. Sold for $55.19 after 4 months. And this comes from eBay store Dog Patch Picker. The next item, what on earth is this thing? One on high bid for $14. Took a best offer of $140. Buyer really only wanted the light bulb. I made a YouTube short explaining the details of my Midwest Picker YouTube channel. Okay, guys. So check out Midwest Picker on YouTube. And he has a video that talks about this. It sounds like this. It looks like an artisan piece. And the buyer wanted the light bulb. So kind of scary to ship, right? A light bulb. Maybe he shows us how he shipped it. All right, guys, give Midwest Picker a follow as well. Fabulous YouTube. Early 1900s blacksmith farrier account ledger daybook. Tulare County. So you guys, these are just really old books. Isn't this fun? So this would kind of fall under the ephemera category. Crazy, right? Somebody bought this. I love sorting through. He wrote snorting. It auto corrected to snorting. I love sorting through boxes of old papers and filing cabinets at estate sales and finding treasures others pass by. Got this old ledger at a garage sale. One of the estate dealers may have charged $1 or two, but pretty much just dismissed it as trash. Took 4 months to sell and went for $29.99. So unexpected bolo right there. This one is a pasta maker, and this one is from Dog Patch Picker as well. And it says hand crank pasta makers sell for decent amounts. Bought this one at a local charity thrift for two and sold it for $57.93 within a few days. Bonus, this one had a handwritten recipe for mama's pasta with it. Store is Dog Patch Picker. Awesome. Yeah, that's cool. And you guys, old recipes do sell. You can sell them on do a search on old recipes, solds. It's pretty interesting. This one here is Lefton Cat ceramic cookie jar. Wanted to share this cookie jar I bought at a community garage sale. Bought it for $3, sold for full asking price. Had someone else interested in it and was asking too many questions. I'm glad the first person did not buy it. I feel I would have gotten a return and I would have lost money. Thank you for always sharing your knowledge. My shop is Blue Moon Treasures. And you guys, I believe this is the same Blue Moon Treasures that's over on Whatnot also. So give her a follow on Whatnot as well. And if it's not, you can still follow Blue Moon Treasures because she's fabulous over on Whatnot. All right, guys, let's look at, and it sold for $65. Look at that cute little kitty cat. The next item is this dachshund. And I want to know how many of you used to call it or do call it dash hound. I used to pronounce this dash hound, and everybody's like, no, it's dachshund. I'm like, well, then why not spell it like dachshund? That doesn't look like dachshund. I mean, maybe, but anyway, let me know in the comments. I know there's other people that have said that wrong, but now I know. So, Nooks, Crannies, and Irresistibles. I knew when I found this little fella at Goodwill for $6.99, he was special. He had no damage and signed and numbered, made in the USA, heavy, realistic dog. It checked every box to be a bolo. When I got home, did more checking. The closest comps were of planters that looked like him. I noted in my listing he was not a planter, but a figurine. I put him on auction twice, starting at $49 and no luck. So changed to buy it now and sold him quick for $64. Goodwill doesn't check everything, she said. Thanks, Courtney. Oh, thank you for sharing. That's a very cool piece. That's gorgeous. And people love their dachshunds. You guys, they love their dogs. If you find dog stuff, you gotta look it up. And even if you can't find comps, those are good ones to pick up. This one is also Nooks, Crannies, and Irresistibles, and this is so stinking cute. These little trees are fairly easy to find at estate sales. The bigger they are, the more they sell for. I listed it for $43 and took a best offer of $36. I think I paid about $3 for the tree at an estate sale. Very quick sale, nice flip. Thanks, Courtney, for making these videos. I'm always looking forward to the next one. Oh, thank you so much. This is super cute. These are glass flowers. I've never seen one like this. I've seen the stone ones, but never glass. It's beautiful. I love that. Okay, guys, check out this big money bolo, and it is weird. Eddie Munster Dracky doll by Ideal. It's a mini monster, and it is complete with its outfit. Found this at a garage sale for $1. Had no idea of its value until I comped it when I got home. I was shocked. She says she used Chat GPT to confirm its value. Listed it for $595.99 and sent out a 10% offer and sold it for $536 within a couple hours. eBay store is Sweet Lola Bees. Congratulations on an awesome sale. And that thing is wacky and weird. All right. Rare anthropomorphic ballerina. I don't know. Are those cats or mice? They're salt and pepper shakers, guys. Local estate auction in a box of salt and pepper shakers for about $13. Sold in less than a week for full price of $350. That is amazing. This one here is an antique Gillette double ring razor. Yeah, some of these old razors are big money. She said, I picked up a couple of these at a garage sale last month for $2. Didn't even look them up. Figured they'd bring 20 to 30 easy. I'm glad I decided to spend time researching. Put it on auction starting at $225 and it sold for $325. Oh my goodness. That is so good, right? Look at it. Look at all the wear. Patterson Place on eBay. Congratulations. That's amazing. You guys are You guys are doing amazing. All right. And the next one, another huge one. An estate sale that she was late to, paid 15 for the set, sold for full asking price of 450 plus buyer paid shipping. eBay store, Etsy, and Mercari and Instagram are Fox and Found. Cute name. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. And you're going to see a lot of people are selling on multiple platforms. I use List Perfectly to cross post. Highly, highly recommend it. I do have a referral link down in the description. You can get 30% off your first month with coupon referral code bolobuddies, all one word, and the link below. Now, before you do that, watch my tutorials. Type in Bolo Buddies List Perfectly and watch those. See if it's a good fit for you. It's more than just a cross posting service. It's a flat fee every month and it's fabulous. So worth it. I've been using it since 2019. I can't say enough good things about the company. I mean, they're just fabulous. But again, check it out. See if it's a good fit for you. And Whatnot. There's you can cross post to Whatnot now. So I'm getting not all. I'm getting a lot of my items. I've got about 500 items cross posted now to Whatnot in my Buy It Now and Marketplace. So I add those, I clone those into my show from the marketplace. And then when I have a live show, people can buy items from my Buy It Now. They can make offers and buy, and that goes towards their discounted shipping, which is a fabulous incentive to get people to look at your Buy It Now and Whatnot. So if you're not using that feature and you sell on Whatnot, definitely consider it if you sell on other platforms. Also, if you don't want to do live shows, Whatnot does have a marketplace and it is picking up. I'm starting to generate sales when I'm not doing live shows as well. So something to consider. And I think we're going to continue to see growth in that area as well. So yeah, really cool. If you guys have any questions, if you're not on Whatnot and you want to join, you can use my coupon referral code down below and get $15 to shop. And if you want to sell on Whatnot, you have to come back and use the other referral link that I have. And you can request to be a seller. And they do like a price match in your first week if you do a live show. So definitely grab that referral to get that incentive as well. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you're not selling on Mercari and Poshmark and you want to think about those are the other two platforms besides eBay that I sell on. There's referral links down below that you can use and you'll get money to shop on those platforms. I always say more platforms, more eyes on your items. So something to consider if you haven't branched out. I know a lot of people are complaining about low sales in the Facebook group and on eBay. I think in general, just, you know, sales go up and down. That's what sales are, right? So if you get your items in more places, you have more opportunity to sell. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I do have tutorials for Whatnot. If you type in Bolo Buddies Whatnot for beginners, it'll pull those up. And you guys can check that out as well. And again, throw your questions in the comments, and I hope to see you over to Whatnot show. Thanks for watching.